Oh my God, Mr. Burns. Don't forget to pull out the adjusters.
Yeah.
But you ain't that good at pulling out.
Obviously, I am because I only have 2 kids.
That you know of.
That's true. Very true. Hey, okay, hold on to that.
Look at that. You couldn't have done that again if you tried.
Yep. Cool.
Thanks, it's blowing right in my face now. I'm like,
Whee! Are you
purple dragons and
let's see.
elephants and stuff. Oh, dude, look at the reflection over there. Put the towel down. Look.
Oh shit. Where's the lighter?
The vapors, man. The vapors, man.
The vapors.
Anyway. All right. Passenger side wheel cylinder.
Oh, that's the old one.
Yep, that's funny because it had fluid up to the edge, but not to the bleeder.
Nope.
Cause it plugged up. Hey, take that banjo bolt out too, and let's check it and clean it as well before we put that in, because you don't want to contaminate that with that. Did it come with new crush washers?
Came with 1.
It's supposed to come with 2. Cheap
Oh, literally.
bastards.
Just 1.
Why is this banjo bolt stuck? Work it, girl. Here we go. It's taking us both to pull out. All right.
So don't lose that one.
Before we get frisky here, maybe take this and the one from the other side and put them in the washer for a little while before you put it together. Like, put this in the car, but, you know, before you assemble.
That was not fun.
Well, nothing's fun. And then if we need crush washers, we'll play match game.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Burns?
What's that?
Nothing. I understand that you have worked at Girl on this corner.
Okay.
Ooh,
Just
wait.
kidding.
Get all excited around here. So...
Losing it.
Yeah. We're always losing it. So what's up, sir? May we discuss? Ooh, look it.
Bolted in.
New and pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it's the right one, right? You played match game. You cleaned that.
Took it apart. Cleaned it. Threads were a little scuzzy.
Did you love or lube her?
A little bit. Like it says.
Just a little dabble do ya?
Yep.
Work it, girl.
So it's just...
That's not a good demonstration of it working.
Well, it's because there's a spring right there. You gotta move the spring and...
Well, that's the retainer. Am I in your way?
No.
Am I in your way?
No. Because actually, I'm gonna adjust that when
I just want to see it. I just want to see it move a little bit.
Well, then you gotta get out of the way.
I'm out of the way. I'm up against the wall. You almost hit me in the ding-ding.
I know. That was the whole point.
Anyway, that looks good. That looks good. How's the banjo bolt coming?
It was cleaning.
It's still in the...
Yeah. I'll turn it back on when we're done with this video because it makes lots of noises.
Yeah, and it's annoying and you can't hear us.
Huh?
What?
2.
How many doggy biscuits?
At least 3. Please.
You're cheap if you're only charging 3 doggy biscuits. All right, so I just want to see it go 1 click.
1 click.
That's all I want.
Just
I
one.
just want to see it move just a little bit. Stimulation of the clip.
Oh,
look at that.
Look at
Wow.
that. All right.
All right, that proves its function to me. And that's in.
Yep.
And now you're going to go take apart the other side.
Yep. Gotta move all my tools over there.
All right. Good job,
Mr.
sir. Burns!
What's that?
How's the left rear?
Went a little bit faster on the other side. Because I kind of figured out how to do
You figured out Scotty's magic trick?
Yep. Worked out great. Got the new one in.
It's because Scotty is a trick.
He likes to do. Never mind.
What?
Anyways.
Well, what he does after hours is not our business.
Did the same thing I did on the other side. Tear this part.
Crazy. It's like, it's got a little bit of pitting and stuff, but it's still good.
Yeah.
Unlike those studs in the Packard. It's like, oh, I ain't trusting that.
No. Especially when we had the one break.
Yeah.
So I can imagine
They're all fragile.
if we went to go torque that head down.
No, we're gonna.
I can.
You and I are gonna have a grand old time on that.
Can't
baby.
wait.
Yeah.
That's something new to me. Like
I think you and I are gonna tag team that together, just so you get to feel the experience of.
Heck
I put a
yeah.
straight 8 in.
Yep.
Anywho,
Got
back
that
to our topic.
greased up. Like I said, when I'm ready to put the drums back on. Yes, it moves.
You lubed it up.
Yes, I did.
If you love her luber.
It was great. Twice.
Ooh,
But anyways.
good kitty.
Get kicked one of these days.
I need to go through all the videos I do that and make a playlist of me just doing good kitty.
Good kitty. Kiki, one piece of meat.
Oh, old school.
Yep. So, yeah.
Anywho, all right, so that's ready. So pretty much once we finish cleaning the banjos, oh, we also, while we're in here, that's okay. Good. That's just a cap. Okay. I want to make sure that wasn't like plugged up and needed a hose for the vent.
No, all good.
All right, so we're good there. All right, happy camper.
Yep.
Okay, so here we are, done at the rear.
Yay!
Just got to put the banjo on and both sides with the crush washers, and away we go.
Yay!
Woohoo! Good job, Bernsey.
All right. Finally.